Hey folks, this is Dave Wright, chairman of Victor Hiking Trails. Today we're out on the Auburn Trail near Maple Avenue, and we're going to be installing a trail counter. We have Chauncey and we have Jane. We've got it in a secure box to make sure that nobody tampers with it, and we're going to show you how it's being installed. So we've got Chauncey on the drill, Jane is holding the box. The sensor that sends out an infrared light beam is inside the box. Also the electronics, which you see hanging by a wire, that will also go in the box. The whole purpose of this is so that we can get some semi-reliable data on how many people are using the Auburn Trail. It's a can of pressurized air blow out the chips. Now we have some lag screws and a washer. The box itself has provision for 4 holes for 4 screws. So you can see inside the box, there's the sensor. Sends out the infrared beam, which will detect a person walking, hiking, riding a bike, walking her dog, jogging, whatever. And then what Jane has in her hands is a box that contains the sensor data collection. And now for security purposes, we have a lock. And I have the key on me.
I just want to make sure, because I don't want to lock this if you don't have the key.
I have a key. We can try it.
Okay.
And we have a little sign explaining what it's all about. So that's the installation of the box in the location. And now every time someone comes by here, either riding their bike, walking their dog, jogging, it'll count. And so next week we will come back and we will upload the data and see if it's working. We have 2 other counters that we will install later on at different locations, so we can get data based on time of day, day of week, weeks during the month, months during the year, and hopefully all that data will be used so that when we write a grant for more money for improving the trails, we will be able to successfully get the grant.